Well guys, replaced the underfloor, which is good, so I'm feeling a lot warmer already. Maybe it's the sun, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Right now we're trying to do the shower again, and obviously the bus is not level. It's leaning forward to the front a bit, like most goods vehicles do, right? So the challenge is to get the water to disappear into the drain hole instead of just sitting in one corner. So what we're going to do is use this floor as the shower floor, but what I'm going to do is cut it up here, obviously the front, which is luckily right on the join of the flooring. You see, it was planned as well. And we're going to raise this side a bit, so this will be the same height and this will be up, and then the water will naturally flow to that side, which is a lot better for us. Yeah, that's the idea.
We have been able to move on to something at least. We're trying to make head or tail of the shower.
Cool, now we can test the inner panels. How do you get a nice bend, like straight bend in your sheet steel? We don't have one of those machines. And how else do you do it? Don't have a vice grip, nothing. So use what you have at your disposal, and it seems to be working quite well.
So clever. A man and his landy.
Not too bad. You put this on the floor as a bit of a curve, which will help us.
At the back there is just there for the water.
Yeah, well, we got the sides in now, we got these corner units in, so it's getting a lot more stable now. There's going to be a sheet steel on the back. Cut the sheet steel for the ceiling. Yeah, it's going to be cold, obviously. This is not what you do normally, but let's give it a shot, do something different, see what comes out of it. Basically, yeah, raise the floor in here a little bit. Try and get the run into the middle, because that's exactly where the toilet's going to be.
Oh, it's looking amazing.
The rest of it's looking not too bad. Everything kind of fits so far.
Love these acrylic things. They've turned out so nicely.
It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Cool. Well done, dude.
We're getting there.
Is that going to go underneath the other one? Or as it is?
No, underneath.
Cool. Everything to be waterproof. Wow. So you're marking out the drilling bits.
Yeah.
And it's upside down.
Pardon?
This sheet is upside down? Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it goes
goes
this way. Cool. Okay, cool. Oh, this is so exciting! Our shower's taking shape. Look how cool that is. Love this steel. And look how amazing it works together with the acrylic that I had such fun painting. They like really match together in this blue floor. The very clever little ramp that Marcel put in. That I wouldn't have known where to begin. Thank you, dude, for being such a smarty. And that's the ceiling of our shower. Oh, the bus is looking so cool. So excited. And it's actually surprisingly warm. Putting the cork and the layer of foil underneath has actually made it warmer underfoot. So it has made a difference. Looks stunning. Love it. I'm so excited. These are from old door hinges and they've been through our fire. So these have been proven. And I just love the texture and colour and patina. So this is going to be for our shower door. Oh, it's so exciting, it's all going together. I just can't bear myself. It's just, yay!
Oh yeah.